have Avalanche versus the dollar, symbol AVAX, and we have yet again another all-time high for AVAX. A good indication that this market might be a little more healthy than what people are considering right now. Very, very interesting chart right here. I just want to kind of comment on the volume signature throughout this whole rally. There's been a lot of interest within this thing. Now it is on Binance, so maybe they turn on the volumizer bot, but you know, most of the things have not really gotten this treatment. So this is a good sign overall, and especially with this one correcting with the rest of the market, yes, but putting in just higher lows alongside that, that is and has been a signal of strength, as we've been saying for the past. I mean, we started following this one back in I think late August or so, and that is certainly a signal of strength. Anyways, as far as daily goes, we do see hidden bullish evidence being confirmed as of yesterday's closure, and I would be looking for this one to, you know, very likely move higher here alongside BBWP, which is actually expanding, or sorry, it's actually contracting, but it is still above the 50 percentile right there. So I do look at this as very likely to continue. And again, there will be an invalidation point on this, but first and foremost, let's go through the short-term timeframes. Are they continuation right now? Actually, yes. Jesus Christ, man, this thing really is strong. Holy fucking moly. I don't see, or at least I don't have any reason to be invalidating this as long as this thing's above 65.5. That is how strong this fucking thing is. Jesus Christ. Let's go over here, see what momentum monsters are saying for right now, and then I come up with some areas of interest to the upside, as this one isn't a blue sky breakout, isn't it? Now, isn't it? Hourly is down as long as below 77 bucks, so maybe a very short-term time frame pullback. Full hour will turn down below 69.70. So again, you know, short-term timeframes are suggesting that this one either continues like right now or will consolidate lower, probably around the mid to upper $60 region, if I had to guess. 12 hours going to be up as long as above 61.5, and daily is going to flip back up above 75 at end of day today. So I'd feel comfortable in saying that if this one does close above 75 today, I would be looking for further continuation before a medium-term pullback. Only short-term pullbacks in the interim. Let me just daily right here, and let's see where areas of interest are going to be based off of that prior accumulation zone right there. You can see that we have found our highs thus far. That's 2.272, so a little bit of selling, but I typically don't see like major highs at that level. I do think that this one moves its way into the mid 80s actually, before the next sort of daily pullback and consolidation a little bit lower, and at that point I'd probably be looking for that move down somewhere around mid to low 60s. Long term though, you know, I'm not saying that this is like bearish or anything like that. No, obviously not, just pullbacks. Weekly is, I mean, not too helpful just because this thing is hasn't been around for too long, but for the history that we do have, it's great. Monthly is powerful as all fuck. Yeah, that's pretty good. Very likely to lead towards new all-time highs in October as well, barring a critical, massive red dildo party before end of month, which I suppose is possible. But as the month draws closer and closer to the end, we only have about 7 to 8 days left of trading to go in September. This is looking pretty damn good. Any sort of a closure by end of month above 60 bucks is going to very likely imply new all-time highs in October, maybe November if that doesn't work out, but very likely October. And I wouldn't be surprised to see this thing hit 100 bucks and beyond. This thing's fucking powerful, man. Got a lot of people pumping it now too. Yeah, nothing bearish about this, at least on the daily, as long as you're above about 65. So not bad, man. Not bad at all. 4-hour RSI still healthy on this rally. Yep, I suspect that this one continues, and before AVAX.